Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 15th of February 2022. Taking a look at Dogecoin here, multiple time frame analysis, doing the 3-week, weekly, and the daily Ichimoku charts. Dogecoin, thankfully, is a crypto that has a complete Ichimoku system on its 3-week chart. There's a lot of altcoins that do not, but Dogecoin has been around long enough now to to have a full system, and it's been that way actually for quite a while. So, congratulations, Dogecoin, for surviving. It's got a, if you look at this, if this was an hourly chart or a 5-minute chart, nobody would have a problem looking at it and going, "Oh, that's a bull flag." But because it's a 3-week chart, and because we're looking at moves that have come down from highs back in April, which is really not that far away, less than 2 months away. Basically, I mean, it's 10 months it's been in a downtrend. And but it's structurally it's still a bull flag. And there are some signs that the termination event here and an extension move higher could be happening very, very soon, especially when you look at the last 3-week candle, the one that just closed, because we started a new one on the 14th yesterday. It's an inside bar. So the level to look at on the 3-week chart, at least, is a move above that 17.5 cent range. That'll be important to monitor. Then we have a Dogecoin, and Doge is sitting here fairly strongly on the weekly chart. What's interesting to me is that Doge has I'm laughing because an ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout is like a godsend for people who love to short things, and Doge has had a significant number of opportunities to close lower. And I'm sorry, I feel like my northern accent is coming out. I've been watching some Canadian Parliament, even though I'm not from Canada, but I'm watching this ridiculousness of the Emergencies Act being enacted and these protesters. And I feel like my northern accent, because I'm from Minnesota, my northern accent's coming out a little bit when I'm talking. Oh man. Anyways, Dogecoin, it's positioned here pretty an inside bar on a weekly chart here too. Very tight range. You got to really kind of expand the chart here a little bit, but Dogecoin, it's been below the Tenkan-sen ever since the last time it had a close above there was the last week of October. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 weeks. 16 weeks, which is very close to 16 weeks of a move below that Tenkan-sen without any ability to close above it. So that's fairly substantial. But what's happening here on the oscillators is that despite the move south, the RSI is still in a bull market, and the composite index has had a cross above both of its averages. So there's the oscillators are leading the momentum here, but prices has not caught up yet. So expect a drive up. But the reason I was kind of laughing a little bit about the ideal bearish Ichimoku breakout is that Dogecoin has had several, many, let's see how many, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's been a ton of opportunities to have Dogecoin enter a capitulation zone because the volume profile, which I thought I had on here. Well, give me 1 second. We'll just pause it quick. Well, never mind, because trading views volume profile makes the whole scale wonky. But there's a huge gap between, and that's actually filled quite a bit. It used to be between 18 cents and 9 cents, but it's since filled up quite a bit. But there's been multiple opportunities to cause a massive capitulation move on the weekly chart, and there's just been no follow through. So let's go over to the daily chart and look at what we've got going on here. The same thing that we've looked at on some other instruments. You have this inverse head and shoulders pattern forming and developing. For Doge, the zone here to really kind of look at is going to be around that 16 cent level. If it can get back above the Tenkan-sen on the daily chart, that could usher in a new move. And the target on all of this is a revisit of the 25-cent range, with the downside pressure limited to the 2022 lows and the 12-cent level. So upside potential up to 25%, downside risks limited to 12 cents. That does it for me on Dogecoin. I think 5 minutes is long enough to talk about it. And I will update it as needed. From all of us here at Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.